welcome to this week's video. I am just filming kind of like a deep clean vlog and just kind of refreshing my apartment. It's a little late into spring, I guess, for me to be doing a spring cleaning, but that's basically what I'm doing. I bought a new couch. Somebody is actually on their way. They're supposed to be here around 2 to pick this up. If I can get it downstairs by myself, I'm totally gonna do it. I'm just really trying to elevate my style, especially since I'm going into my 30s, and also like have heard a lot of things. Furniture, things, they hold memories, they hold bad energy, they hold energy. I don't know, maybe they don't and I'm just crazy. Let's go ahead and do the damn thing. So let's flip this puppy over and see how to take it apart. Couch comes with this little tool that I broke last time because I could not get these off. Hopefully this man has tools at home. Oh gosh, Oliver. All your hair. I hope that my other couch, because it's bigger, I hope that it doesn't make it feel too like claustrophobic in here. I'm a little worried about that. There's absolutely no way that I can get that downstairs by myself. I'll check in with you once there's more updates. The couch is completely gone. So exciting. Like I said, the couch is gone. I'm going to sweep. I'm just gonna move from one area of my apartment to the next and just make it super clean. But yeah, as you can see, Oliver is loving all the space that he has. I don't really feel like cleaning. Oh my God. No, you guys. I just broke my nail. Oh my God. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I'm freaking out because it's so low. There's blood coming. Shit. I don't know if you guys can see. That is below the line. I think it went in here. Oh, I was just talking to the lady. She jinxed me. Okay, so literally the show must go on. I'm gonna try and save my nail later, but for now it just has a little bandage on it. I really cannot believe my nail broke like that. I'm so freaking upset.
I'm so freaking pissed.
Snapped my freaking pinky nail. Honestly, I probably could vacuum this like a few more times, but my vacuum is so heavy. I really need a better one. I just don't know, like I don't want to buy a vacuum and then it not work with this rug. I'm going to spray this Resolve high traffic foam wide area carpet cleaner. Here. Go, play. Okay, or don't. I have completed shampooing the rug. This is how it's looking so far. I feel like it honestly looks pretty freaking white, so I'm very satisfied with how it turned out. It only took me a couple of hours. Pretty happy right now. I'm excited for my couch to arrive tomorrow. This might not look like a very exciting shot, but it is because my couch just got here. And you guys, I'm a little worried because I don't know if it's gonna fit. Oh my God. Why am I so stupid? We're gonna get to this. I am so freaking excited, you guys. Guys, so I have the first piece done. I am so excited. It says to wait 24 hours to sit on it, but I don't want to. But I will because I want it to be perfect. I thought that my rug was gonna fit like this. I think I'm gonna have to turn my rug a completely different way so that it fits under my couch because I don't like the look of it not fitting under my couch. Letting it sit overnight. I haven't even eaten dinner. I went to Chick-fil-A, but I was like, I'm gonna eat after because I know that if I eat before, I'm gonna be like in a food coma and not wanna do this. So here's the couch. I'm obsessed with this blanket. It's like not bad. Feels much more bright in this area for sure.
Oh, Angus beef, that kind of smells good.
It does smell good. There's so many different scents going on around here.
I like it.
Oh my gosh. Very like aesthetic. We're at the gluten-free festival. We got pepperoni and jalapeno, and then we got barbecue pizza. I feel like my hair looks really poofy like this. Bought a bunch of stuff off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and just put this one together. This pillow is so comfortable, you guys. I will have them linked down below. These pillows are so comfortable. They're like heavy in a way, but they're like plush and they're just like, oh, I love them. I'm obsessed. Perfect. And now we have two pillows. I got some racks for my shower. They come with one that's a little bit larger and then one that is just a tad bit smaller. A piece to hold your soap. So that's cute. Hopefully they look really good. I think they're going to. I also got this iDesign egg organizer. This holds 21 eggs. And then I'm not gonna unwrap this yet, but this is one of those African back scrubbers. It's like an African net. This came in 2 pieces. I think I paid $5 for it. I'm pretty excited about this. I've heard great things about it. Let me know down below if you've used it before. If not, I will let you know. So then I got a 3-in-1 kitchen sink sponge holder because right now I just have my sponges just like all sprawled out. It probably sounds stupid, but now I feel like I need to go buy a thing to put in here. My shower curtain rods. I thought they didn't arrive. They marked them as delivered on a different day, so I actually need to call Amazon because I thought they didn't come. Oops, my bad. I got a fabric shower curtain because I had to replace the plastic ones. And I honestly hate the plastic ones with all of my being. Like if there's a draft in there, the plastic just like flows into you and then it touches your skin. It makes me feel dirty. Let me know if you have a fabric shower curtain. If you do, how often do you wash yours? This is just a cute little tray that I'm going to use for my skincare. It's like a little cloud tray and it's ceramic, and I'm only gonna put like my current face washes there. Oh yeah, this is cute. But I got this toothbrush holder. I thought this would be cute. I just want everything to have its own place so it looks really put together and neat and organized. I really love organization. I got a new shower curtain. It's just plain white. Oh, it comes with rings. It's so cute. It has this pattern on it, and on the bottom it has the fringe. This is supposed to be 84 inches. So I think I'm actually gonna wash both of these. I got some Mod Podge. One of the very last things from this package is this bath mat. I know you guys have seen it. It's the Get Naked one, but it's extra long. It honestly looks like a legit carpet. I think I'm also gonna wash this before I use it. I need to hurry up. Okay, wait. Did that have my name on it? This is not mine. I'm gonna go take this down to them. But I also got 2 new iPhone chargers. This is what they look like. They're so cute. Oh yeah, I'm so excited, and they have the nice little grip here. These ones I don't have to open because it just shows you here. I got these for my bath bombs and stuff like that. I have my new chair here. Every time I get something, I like open the box and I'm like, oh, this looks like it's gonna be hard. And then it ends up being okay. So I'm probably gonna have another ginger ale because I just like don't care. I actually started taking some stuff out of the box. It's not the exact green that I was hoping for. It's okay because it still looks really good and I think it'll be fine. I feel nervous, like I'm not gonna be able to put this together, but I'm gonna try so hard. I'm gonna pop a YouTube video on while I do this. This is not easy, just really hard to put in. I had to move to my bedroom for a second because I was not getting anywhere on that soft rug. These are not super easy to put in, honestly. Like, it requires a lot of force, a lot of strength. So, oh my God. This is not attainable. That is crazy. Okay, so step 2 is putting these wheels on it. I'm sure you just pop, lock, and drop it into the hole. Insert the casters firmly to prevent them from coming off. It is a bit difficult to insert. Got that done. So this is obviously the back of the seat. The massaging part, I think. Here is the other arm. Oh, a little toolkit. I should have opened all of this first. Or is this the massage? I don't know. Oh no, that goes under. And then this is the headrest.
So the next step will be to take this seat right here, flip it over, and install the tilt mechanic.
Turn over the footrest, remove the screws installed, install the footrest steel pipe, and screw the screws back in place. How in the heck? How in the heck? Oh well, it definitely goes in like that. How the heck? You You guys, this chair will be the effing death of me. I got the seat on though, finally. I'm not being confident in myself. I literally put this whole chair together. At first, taking it out of the box looked so complicated, and still right now for me, the hardest part was the freaking legs on the chair, on the stand or whatever. Like, I stomped on that thing, I jumped on that thing. Last piece! The chair has been completed. Good morning. I just ordered breakfast from Bacon's Social House. I got the boozy French toast. I need to deep clean my kitchen and my bathroom. I'm probably gonna do my bathroom first because it's smaller. I'm gonna go get this food. It's always so hard to choose a YouTube video to watch while I'm eating because I am obsessed with YouTube, like chronically online, probably why I stay home so much. I have such a wide range of things that I watch on YouTube. I feel like maybe everybody does, but it's like so wide. Jeffree Star is Messy Trisha Paytas plus frenemies drama. Let's watch it.
I get super invested.
I'm honestly not really feeling that great, but I really need to get this done because it's been a long time. I don't think I'm gonna be able to finish today. These are so old. I wanted a curtain that went all the way to the floor, and I'm so happy that it does. I feel like it is a little too long now. I didn't show this part, but I put my bath bombs in here, which I also need to go buy some more bath bombs, but I put these tea bags in here and some salts in here, and then some Epsom salt in here. I have my shower steamers in here. This is such an upgrade already. I got this cloud thing. I already told you guys about it, but it's gonna go there. And then toothbrush. And this case is great for traveling, but I'm happy because now I can keep it outside of the case. Pretty excited with how this looks, and I do like this. I feel like the black is a nice touch. I personally enjoy it. I think everything is looking really put together, really good.
This is totally German.
Hi, okay, so it is Sunday. I went to the mall, I went to breakfast and Trader Joe's. And at the mall, I stopped at Victoria's Secret. I got some like sweat shorts. I don't really like Victoria's Secret that much anymore. Have been liking their style more because I feel like it's more of a simple vibe and you can't really see the logo. And it's just a P, so it's not that bad anymore. But when I tried these on, they were so comfortable. I was like, I don't even care because I need these in my life. So I got this little bralette to go with it. It's just black and it's ribbed, and I put it on at the store. I put on the other one that I got. Very comfortable. Holds the boobies well. I also got it in purple with matching sweatpants. We have Nordy. Just got this basic t-shirt. It is thick material. I got this bodysuit, which you guys, also from BP, but it feels like butter. They had it in like a gray color. I got an extra small. I like the other ones that I have better, and I'll be honest, I got those on Amazon for $12. Next thing I got was a dress, also from BP. I guess I do like this brand. Totally vibing with this. I feel like this is so cute, like perfect for the summer. And one of the bath bombs broke, but I got this dinosaur one. And then there's the butterball. No strips. And then I got this eucalyptus and sage room spray. I also got a little knockoff of Bath & Body Works mahogany teakwood. I actually did go there to try and find it, but I couldn't find it. I was about to put the candle in your face so you could smell it. Fruity body scrub. And then I got the matching body butter. And I'm gonna go put all of this away really quick. Probably gonna take me like, I don't know, 2 hours to clean the rest of my apartment. We're going to start with the fridge right now. I really don't feel like doing this. I'm gonna have a bunch of stuff to take out, so I would just rather do it now so I don't have to do it during the week. Ready to go. I'm also watching Total Divas. I've already watched all of it, but it's just nice to have something in the background. And I have a Coke. Ooh, almost spilled that everywhere. These are kind of heavy. I am going to play around with these bins for a second so you guys don't have to watch me do it. there's no room for organization bins in here, and I'm just gonna put my green juice supplies in here. I am going to wipe down my cabinets, a microfiber, and I'm going to soak it with water, hot water, and then also some Lysol. I am going to do the bottom ones really quick off camera. So I don't actually recommend doing this that often, like it's kind of a waste. However, I will say that when I did it the first time, I absolutely saw a difference in my dishwasher. Before we put that in though, I'm gonna go ahead and take out this little filter and clean it. So like, how did this straw get here? That's kind of gross. So it's super easy, you just kind of twist it and pull. Ugh, that's so gross. It's not perfect, but it is looking a lot better than it was, you guys. Like, it was looking nasty. So I got it back in and I put some Dawn dish soap there, the power wash stuff. So hopefully that gets that surrounding area. I thought I was recording myself cleaning all of the appliances, but I didn't. I'm so excited to be done cleaning. It's about time.